Hello fams, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. So today I'm back with another video, and to my old and new subscribers, God bless you. Thank you for tuning in. As you can see at the title, how to cook lentils moi moi. You understand? In Italy they call it, in Italian they call it lenticchie. You understand? So this is it. This one is the one that I've already removed the back. Yeah, like we normally wash our beans. This one has been removed, you understand? So I bet it's dry. Then this one, you understand, this one is the one that is with the bag. You can cook it like this when you want to cook food or anything. Even that one you can also cook it like that. But I wanted to make moi moi with this one, okay? This is the one I'm going to be using. As you can see, this is the one I'm going to be using. Yeah, so it's dry one. Oh no, lentil is very, very good, and it's rich in iron, potassium, calcium. In fact, if you're a pregnant woman, you need this in your body, okay? Or maybe you're suffering from anemia, you need lentils. It's very, very rich in calcium and the potassium and the iron, a lot of things. So if you have not been adding it to your meal, try to add it. So that is why I want to show you many ways. Many people don't like it when cooked in, the way they normally cook it here, but I'm going to show you how you can even use it to cook other things like this moi moi I want to make. So let me show you how I make it. Okay, this is it. I've soaked it for 1 hour, but you can soak it less than that. It's just because I am busy, so that is why I kept it, doing what I'm doing until I'm ready to cook. So now I will go ahead and blend it, and also let me show you things I will be using to cook it. It doesn't need too much ingredients. I have my red bell pepper and the scotch bonnet pepper, onion. I have egg, cooked egg. You can use raw one, but I prefer it cooked egg, okay? I have tuna. So this is the tuna I'm going to use. I'll use it to replace crayfish. But if you have crayfish, I don't want to use crayfish on this recipe. I'm going to use tuna for it to give it another type of taste, okay? So this is tuna. I've already removed the oil. And this is a vegetable seasoning I'm going to use. Since I found this vegetable seasoning, I've been enjoying it. You can see the vegetable drawn there. It has a lot of vegetable. So it's not the one that you don't know what is in. So this is very good. You can see black pepper. I've read the ingredients that is involved. They are all many, you understand? We can even have the trace of celery, egg, fish, a lot of things inside. So I'm going to use it. That is one of the spices I'm going to use for these lentils. I think that is the only thing I'm going to use. Because it contains salt, I will not be adding any other, external salt. Okay, let me go ahead and blend it, and I'll come back to you. So fam, this is the blended lentil. I've already blended it. I added the onions and the red bell pepper, some of it, and the scotch bonnet pepper. That was the only thing that are here. So now we go on to add other ingredients. So this is tuna. Add tuna. Then part of the red bell pepper, I'm going to add it. Fams, you can add any type of vegetable you love to add to your meal, or you can blend all. I just want to do it like this way. Okay, that is what I tried and it worked for me. So you can add any ingredients you want. So now I will go ahead and add these vegetable spices. I told you I'm not going to add salt because it contains salt. So everything is here now. Then I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil you love to use. For healthy purpose, I'm using olive oil. Okay, so that is it. You can add even red oil, anyone you want. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add the egg, the boiled egg. So that is it. I think this is the last thing I'm adding here. Okay, so now I'll go ahead. This is my container for the moi moi. I've already greased it. You can see part of oil. I grease it with oil. Yeah, I grease it with vegetable oil. So I'll go ahead now and put it. I'm going to add one here now, and the other ones I'm going to do it off camera so that this video will not be too long. So it has cover. So this one will be down, this one will be up. So that is it. So let me do other ones off camera so that this video will not be long. So farms, I've already finished the packaging, so let's go to the pot. So farms, this is the pot I'm going to use for this moi moi. This is the pot I'm going to use. As you can see, the water has been boiling, so I'll go ahead and add the moi moi. Go ahead and add it. So if you are watching weight in this summer, this food is good for you, because it contains no carbohydrates. Okay, so this is it. Then let's cover to cook. This is also good for children that are learning to walk, to give them more energy. And if you're just looking for blood, you want to add blood to your own, or maybe you have short of blood, this food is good for you. So let's allow it to cook. Remember to check your water so that it will not dry up. Okay fans, our lentils my is ready. Let's see the outcome. Let's see the outcome. Wow, this is it, guys. You can't even know that it's not beans moi moi. This is it. Let me use spoon. Okay, this is the outcome. Wow, farms, try this recipe. You will not regret it. Look at it. Let me test it. Very yummy. Try it. I bet you will not regret it. So if you're watching up to this period, God bless you. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. You will not regret joining this family. God bless you. Thank you so much. Till I see you next time in my next video. Shalom. Look at it. Let me go and enjoy.